Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make Thai iced coffee, also known as Oliang. The ingredients are listed below. To start off, you will be needing a tea sock or a tea filter where you will brew your coffee, and I will be using this. And then for the coffee, I'll be using the Mue Brand, which is a Thai mixed coffee. And for the ingredients, it has roasted coffee, roasted corn, roasted soybeans, and salt. You can actually make this hot or iced, but in this video, I'm just gonna be making the iced version. Up close, this is how the coffee grind looks like. It's a bit coarse. To start making this coffee, you will be putting 2 tablespoons in the tea filter and close it. And then after that, you'll have to steep it in hot water for about 3 minutes. Try to wiggle it in to extract more of the coffee. Remove the tea filter after brewing and put sugar, condensed milk, then stir to dissolve it, and then evaporated milk. Then stir it once again to incorporate everything, and in a mason jar full of ice, transfer the coffee. Then stir it one last time to blend everything well and make the drink cold. And that's it. That's how you make Thai iced coffee, also known as Oliang. Enjoy!